The issue of flood in Bayelsa State, Nigeria has been an annual event in every October from time immemorial until this year October, when the floods came in immeasurable dimensions. The floods have dealt a great blow to the people of Bayelsa more than any other ones in the past. A water level of upwards of 4½ feet from the ground. The coal-tarred road was marked as the height of the water, making vehicular and other movements very difficult. The entire people in the state have been thrown into confusion as palliatives to cushion and mitigate the effect of the floods do not come. The poverty level has been lowered again. Before the floods, 78% of the people lived below poverty line of $1 a day. Life expectancy is 47 years. Infant and maternal deaths are very high. Livelihood means very paltry, leading to a high level of unemployment. So the flood brought additional hardships and untold suffering to the people. About 80% of the entire area is submerged by water, bringing mass deaths to all livestock, animals, and an overflooding of all fish, destroying all agric and aquatic resources which provided the main source of livelihood. Complaints are everywhere. People are highly dissatisfied and disappointed. What will be the next step and line of action? What hopes are there? Who can come to the aid of the victims? What can be done to hinder future occurrence? How can life start again for the victims, as all that they possessed have been spoiled by the floods? Properties submerged by water were all spoiled. A great number of the people, as their houses were flooded, have been moved to camps, and schools have been forcefully closed down until such time, whenever the floods must have gone down. In Bayelsa State and in Nigeria generally, dealing with disasters and floods especially have not become properly strategic. Measures therefore that were supposed to be taken have not been done. The ones that are initiated are been circumvented by the corrupt nature of the system. A corrupt system is a problem. A very big problem. The little relief materials sent to the camps are being circumvented by mischief operators of the corrupt system.
We don't see anything. Perfume we don't get. Money we don't get. Why they give us food stuff? Every day one time the food stuff cook and well, water not there. For fish not there. Small house big, it's like 3 years beginning now you go shop. Now that can food here one we do with something like gold. Money we don't see. Governor provide the money. President provide the money, so billion, we don't see anything. But our people, they don't carry and go put their block out to say, we don't know. We just suffer. One week, how we go take feed yesterday, what I go travel, go make farm, we don't know. We don't hungry. But if
the foam, things that we will use for this very minute, we need those things. At least blanket foam. Give us those things. We need those things. So, the one we are here, sleeping ordinary floor. The other day when the NTA people went to my house, they see the flood. People that are not, they don't even affect, they are the people that are benefiting on all those things. We are here, that is why, if not, nobody is able to sleep here. But because of the sofa that we are here, so please, we need government to do something for us.
Madam, we are non-governmental body. We came here to also find out what people are suffering. So that what we do now, because there are other camps, they like to want to so as we come now, tell us. No, wait. Make it so. What is this part? You know, I'm one of the better ones. There are times one of them we are being supported by other agencies. So you are right. Will come. It might not be enough, but definitely something according to your own power. Thank you.
Exactly what I'm here to say is that if only we can talk that we are all a nation, we are called a nation, that this is Nigeria. I don't think we refugees should lack anything, but what is not good is definitely not good. I don't care for myself. What about these children? What about these women? Me, I feel talk say I did rugged. I feel go anywhere. I feel go somewhere. I feel find money anyhow. These people now, women they be. These children, where they will go find money?
People therefore starve, as they never see food to eat. There is frustration in the camps. The floods also came with a very bad odor, causing airborne diseases which communicate easily among the campers. Life therefore in the camp is very brutish, nasty and short. Infirmities that hitherto were manageable in real lives, as a result of the frustrating nature of camp life, could not be managed anymore, resulting to frequent deaths. In an opposite direction, women were giving births in the camps, and subjecting all their young ones to untold and unplanned whims and caprices of life. Life in the camp is full of many problems, full of indescribable discomforts. It has affected social and economic indices in the state. Everything has gone bad. There is spiraling inflation, production has more or less come to a halt, especially the agricultural sector, as the whole place have been flooded. That is why your sponsorship is so important. It will help prepare our volunteer members to meet the emergency service needs of this community and state. Our organization is dedicated to the process of making that happen, but we need your help. Your donation will bring us closer to our goal. You can be a part of that excitement by supporting the displaced people with a donation. We are happy to acknowledge your donation on our website www.bayelsahumanitarianagency.org/donations.html and at our numerous events, unless you prefer otherwise. I would like to thank you for considering this opportunity to partner with our organization for raising funds. If you have any queries regarding our organization, our fund management policy, or the project itself, please feel free to contact us at info@bayelsahumanitarianagency.org.